As you can see on your screen, this is a proof of a withdrawal made from this mining app. The name of this mining app is called Rocks. Alright guys, this Rocks is an app that enables you to earn its coin, and then you can probably swap it to USDT ASAP. And then what you need to swap it, it's not even much. You can swap up to 0.002, right, of this Rocks coin instantly. Hey guys, if you're just seeing this video for the very first time, this is Ematalk update, right? Do subscribe to this YouTube channel so that more of these videos will be on your feed, and then turn on notification bell so when I drop another video, you'll be among the first to get this particular video on your notification. All right guys, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how you can get access to this mining app. Now what you need to do, you see this logo bouncing here, you're just going to click on it and it's going to lead you to this interface. That is after registration, it's going to lead to this interface that will tell you to click to mine. You immediately click on this logo, this hours here will start counting. All right, this one is going to start counting. So when it starts counting, I think it will start from 3 hours downward, so you can mine every 3 hours daily. So when mining every 3 hours daily, you'll be accumulating points just like this, just like this one you're seeing here. So you can see it's counting, and it's even faster, right, compared to other mining apps, right? So you can see I started today, I've already accumulated 0.00176244 like that of this particular coin. All right, so I'm going to leave the link for you to sign up in my comment section. So when you go to the comment section, you will see the link to my Telegram community, my WhatsApp community. Just click on anyone that fits you. No one is going to spam you there, everything is frozen. You just go there, you'll see the link for you to start this mining. And guys, remember I told you from the beginning of the video that you are easily going to swap this thing to USDT, right? You can swap this Rocks coin to USDT. What do you need to swap it? Let me show you what you need to swap it. So when it's time for you to swap, you come to this place that said send, and then from here, this is what you need. They call it the NC wallet. All right, the NC wallet. So what you need to do is just for you to download this NC wallet, right? Sign up and then link it to this particular app. So when you've earned up to 0.002 of this Rocks coin, you can swap it to that NC wallet, and from the NC wallet instantly you can swap it to USDT. All right, you have USDT there, so it can be exchanged to USDT. All right guys, like I said, the link for you to sign up, it's in my WhatsApp and community channel, so you can just check it in the comment section, click and join this channel so that you can even enjoy more updates that I don't even post on my YouTube channel. All right guys, don't forget to subscribe and leave this video with a like if you love what I did, or if you start earning from my channel. Thank you guys, see you on my next video. Do subscribe, and see you later on my next video. Bye bye.